Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter here again out of Dallas, Texas. Big D. What you are looking at here is Traffic Monsoon, and this is my back office in my Traffic Monsoon account. I've been surfing this morning to get more exposure to my business websites. Now, if you're a marketer online, if you are advertising any kind of way, whatever you may be doing online as far as building a business opportunity or getting products seen, whatever it may be, if you need exposure, then Traffic Monsoon is a good place to get exposure to your business opportunity or your whatever it may be that you're trying to get the public to see. Now, inside of Traffic Monsoon, I have bought ad packs, and this will give me much more exposure to my sites. And these are different banners that I have, and every week I buy an ad pack. But for your concern, it doesn't have to be buying ad packs or buying traffic. You can come over here and surf for free. And I just get a lot of exposure by clicking on sites and others clicking on my site when I click on their site or someone else's site. This is a surf program, yes. A exchange, yes. And if you have been marketing online for a while, you know about traffic exchanges, but it's much more than that. I would like for you to just come over and view my account and see for yourself how you can get your business exposed as well. Now, with Traffic Monsoon, you are making money, and if you invest into it, spend a little money. This is me getting started. I have 4 active sharing position, and this is an ad sharing program, and my total sharing is 4 position, and my earnings right now is $16.30. I total earn $18.74. But this is what I can withdraw right now today. But as I grow, I'm going to be getting more ad packs where I can be seen globally and where people can see my business opportunity. And this is the Traffic Monsoon packages where you can just buy clicks to your advertisement. You can purchase credits as you go. And as you can see here now, I have purchased credits, and I have 3,000 up here left that is available for me. But I already have, this is the remaining clicks that I have here that's already active and approved. Now, my main marketing platform is Power Lead System, and with Power Lead System you can make your own web pages. You can get started for free just to check the program out. And I am a proud member of this system because I always have loved making capture pages and web pages. Let's go over here and see some of my subdomains. You have to have a domain, and then you can create your subdomains from this very system. Let's go over here and check a few of mine out. All of these are my websites that I created. And let's go, let me see. Let's go here and see what happens. My subdomain, my main domain is marketwithmarlon.com, and I created this capture page to promote Lead Lightning, which is a draw-in page for Power Lead System. It doesn't cost for $7, and if you buy it for $7, you got autoresponder that automatically send messages out, pre-written messages out for on your behalf, and you can promote whatever business that you may be promoting online through Lead Lightning. But it's a greater picture in the Power Lead system, which Lead Lightning will lead you to. Anytime you promote Lead Lightning, like I am, and someone buys it for $7, then you get $6 out of that 7. I don't care how many you sell. You can sell 100 today. You're getting $6 out of each one that has purchased this great autoresponder. This is a good way to build your list. People will subscribe. They will click get started here. Now inside of this capture page that I built, Power Lead System will teach you how to copy videos from YouTube and place inside of your capture pages. And this is not the only template that I can use. You have unlimited templates that you can use for your own. All this you can reword it yourself. You can put your own words. Whatever you're advertising, you can put it in this template. So that's just a little light on what I'm doing as far as getting traffic. And everyone that subscribe or click get started and put their information in, that they become my lead, and the autoresponder, the pre-written messages will start going out to them. Now come on over and join Traffic Monsoon. With my Power Lead system, this is the way that I promote my Power Lead system through Traffic Monsoon. You'll be surprised how your exposure become once you join up with Traffic Monsoon and start putting your links inside. Start surfing. If you don't want to pay right now, pay to join, invest in the ad packs or the credits to your sites. You can always get clicks to your sites by coming over for free and surfing. And as you surf, people are surfing as well, and they will see your site. Let's click on surf, start surfing, and see what happens. See, this is one of the templates that I use to promote my Power Lead system. Someone else is using the same template, but you can make it your own through Power Lead system and promote it through Traffic Monsoon. I'm surfing right now, and then I go back. I click on the item up there, and I go back to the next site. But I'm not going to go right there again, because you see it sort of give you a glimpse of what I'm doing as far as bringing traffic to my site. I'm going back to my account, and here we are at my account again. And you can make money with this system. Come over and learn how. If you don't have a primary business to promote, you can promote this system. And we will see you soon. And to your success. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Click on the link below to join Traffic Monsoon for free. Excuse me. And you will also have my link to Power Lead system of the Lead Lightning getting started program as well. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Click on the link below of this video. I must say bye-bye.